Hello everyone, we are here to present to you our system named Student Information System using Python and MariaDB. So here we have the View Students tab. Here you can see the student records, namely ID, first name, last name, age, gender, course, address, email, and contact number. Meron din siyang refresh list kung hindi nagpakita yung data na nailagay natin sa system.
And dito po sa add student, lagay mo lang po yung ID mo and name, last name, and age, gender, course, address, email, contact number. And after nyo po mag-fill up, click lang po ang add student and yung lalabas po yung student added successfully and click OK lang po. And try po ulit natin. Lagay lang po kayo ulit ng ID, name, age, gender. Kung want nyo naman po i-clear dahil nagkamali po kayo, click nyo lang po yung clear sa baba and mawawala po lahat. And pwede na po ulit kayo maglagay. And as you can see po, yung in add student po natin kanina is na-save na po yun. Kung tatanungin nyo po kung saan napunta, dito po, click nyo lang po yung view student, tabi lang po ng add student and ayun, ito na po siya. And andito na po yung ID name, last name, gender, course address, email, and contact number na na-fill up po kanina.
Let's move on to the update student part. You can see we have student ID, first name, last name, age, gender, course, address, email, and contact number. And we have update student button and clear and load student button. So let's move on. Dito na nga guys, dito nga po pala ilalagay natin yung student ID ng nagawa natin dun sa add student. So ito na po, ilalagay po natin na 2311-566 and then ilo-load natin. So as you can see, makikita natin dito yung mga information ng na-load na student. So let's see kung paano gumagana tong update student. Ilalagay natin dito yung sa may address niya. Lagyan natin ng Esperanza East Aurora Isabela, yan. Tsaka dito nakita na natin dito na okay, at ito pindutin natin yung update student. And then punta tayo sa view student. So makikita natin dito nakasulat dito Esperanza East Aurora sa may ano.
Dito sa search students, pwede kang mag-search dyan by ID, age, address, first name, gender, email, last name, course, and contact number. Try natin muna sa ID. Yan. Type mo lang dyan yung ID mo, then search. And then, yan na, nagpakita na dyan. Try natin sa age. 21, yan, search mo lang dyan, nandyan na. And then, try natin sa course. Yan, BSIT. Lagay mo lang dyan. Search, and then, yun, pakita na ulit. And then, try naman natin sa gender. Yan, male. Search, and then, yun, nandyan na. Try natin sa gender, pero yung other yung ilalagay natin. Nandyan yan. No students found, sabi, kasi wala naman tayong nilagay na other. Yung ginamit natin is yung male kanina. Yan, then na magdi-delete na tayo ng student. Sa delete student, ilagay mo lang yung student ID mo and then click mo yung delete student button. View student natin, then yan, wala na, na-delete na.